This video provides a guide on how to use the Threat and Risk Assessment interactive tool, including how to make a submission to the draft statewide Threat and Risk Assessment, also known as the TARA. You can submit general feedback on the draft statewide TARA by clicking here. There are a range of questions to be answered, and your feedback and evidence can be typed here. A small question mark like this is a tooltip. If you hover your mouse over the question mark, a definition appears. If you have any evidence or supporting documentation to provide, you can upload it here. We'll now start using the interactive tool by selecting the Threat and Risk Assessment Tool tab at the top of the page. I'm going to select Coastal and Marine Waters TARA. You'll see a series of filters down the left-hand side and some text about how to use the tool. You begin by making a selection in the filters on the left. The filters allow you to drill down to information that is most of interest to you. For example, if you are interested in recreational fishing, you'll first select the region that you are interested in. I'll select Northern New South Wales. If I don't select any regions, all regions will be displayed. Now we'll move to the next filter, Activities. I will select Resource Use, then Recreational Fishing. I can then select the recreational fishing type. I'm interested in all types, so we'll leave this selection blank. The next filter is Environmental Asset. This means the type of habitat. For example, beaches. Again, I'm interested in all, so I'll leave this blank. The last filter is Risk Level. For example, high, moderate, low, or minimal. In this instance, I'll select high and moderate. I'll then click View Data. My search has generated 6 results, which are shown here. The results provide me with information that justifies the risk rankings. The Y column here is the link to the justification and evidence for this risk level. It is also how you make a submission for a specific risk level, so click on Why this ranking. You can see this now shows the justification for this ranking. If you would like to make a submission, you need to select Yes, No, or Unsure to indicate your view on the risk level. The submission form will then appear for you to complete. This form is the same as the general feedback form I showed you earlier, except that it relates to the specific risk level. The submission form is completed in the same way. To hide the justification information, click Close. To review the justification information and/or make a submission, click here and follow the same process. If you want to do a different search, scroll up to the top and click the Reset button on the top of the left-hand column to start again. To go back to the TARA tool homepage, click here. Don't forget, there are also Estuaries TARA and Social and Economic TARA to explore and provide feedback on. I hope this demonstration has given you a good overview on how to use this interactive tool.